All right, men, keep that rhythm. East side, watch your spacing. We're almost flat.
Heave ho, and a heave ho. We did it!
All right, team, keep those rollers moving. We need full coverage on the east side before the cheese arrives.
Heave-hoo! All right, easy now, easy.
Bring it down slowly on the left side. Watch the provolone.
Keep pushing, we're almost there. Heave-ho!
Heave-ho! Heave-ho!
Push!
Yes, we did it! Woohoo! Look at this slide!
It's so gooey!
Best party ever!